Jay, everyone, for holding the trophy up and guarding it with his mind. Now, once again, this is your Philippines State Celebrity Activity. My name is Gloria, all the way from the Philippines, and let's give it up for our amazing officers. Enjoy the rest of the day.